Oh yeah, it's nice and golden brown. Oh yes, look at that. Crunchy. Today we'll be making a crispy fried chicken. We'll be using a double dip method. We'll be using self-rising flour. I got 2 cups of flour in here and 1.5 tablespoons of baking powder. So I mixed it up together, and that's going to make me the self-rising flour. What we got here, we got a flash fryer that's several years old, but this is what's going to be cooking the chicken. The reason why we got a flash fryer is that once you put cold ingredients like a chicken into the oil temperature, the oil drops. Flash fryer is designed so that it brings up the temperature and maintains it at your preset temperature, which is 350 degrees, and you won't get the cold oil soaking into your food. So that's a flash fryer. This is our basic ingredient, the self-rising flour, like I says. And to this, we'll be adding the, like I said, the baking powder. We'll be using 1 tablespoon of garlic salt, which is, or you can make it yourself, garlic and salt. We'll be using 1.5 teaspoons of pepper. So what I did was that I got 1 teaspoon of black pepper and 1/2 teaspoon of white pepper. It gives it a little more kick. 1/4 tablespoon of onion powder. And the last ingredient will be paprika, which is as much as you want. We're using 1.5 tablespoon. Now, added to this, you can put any other spicing you want in it. You may want to put some Italian seasoning on it. A lot of people put cayenne pepper on it, but this is just a basic flour recipe. So we'll just give it a good stir, and we'll just let that oil start preheating in that fryer. Okay, we got the oils preheated, so we're going to do the double dip method. And we'll start off with the chicken wings first. Take the chicken wing, dunk it in a milk and egg mixture. It's just 1 cup of milk and one egg mixed up. Dunk in the powder. Dunk it back in. This is kind of messy, so I mean, then shake off the excess. And I just set them off to the side. We'll show you how to put it into the oil so that it does not stick to the basket. There's a little bit trick to it, and I'll show you. You want to shake off the excess flour. Sometimes the fingers are going to start to. Pretty simple, but messy, like I says. We're doing chicken wings, and we're going to be doing the chicken tenders. But I'll show you the chicken wings first. The chicken wings are going to take about 8 to 10 minutes deep fryer, so pretty quick. We're double dipping it. You can single dip it if you don't want it as thick as a coating. We got the deep fryer set at 350 degrees. Now the trick to these things is that you don't want to just dunk it in there or just drop them all in there. So you're going to want to like make them swim a little bit like this, and then let them drop in. Naturally, don't dunk your fingers in there. You're going to have deep fried fingers. Just want to let them swim a little bit, and then that sets the coating so that it does not stick to each other or to the pan itself. This is a big guy. I really should be able to get all in there. After a few seconds, just give it a good shake. Make sure everything's covered. And then we'll see you back in 10 minutes. All right, it's been about 10 minutes, so we're Oh yeah, it's nice and golden brown. Oh yes, look at that. You just set up here and just let it drain a bit and you take it out. You see how the chicken looks. Look at that. Crunchy. See, nothing stuck to the basket. Okay, next we're going to do the chicken tenders. These are probably going to cook pretty quick. So. These are chicken tenderloins, so that's the best cut of the chicken there. I gotta swim this around. These are kind of big, so swim it like this. You probably get 4 in here. Well, it looks like we get 4 in here, no problem. Okay, the chicken is done. Let it drain for a couple of seconds. We'll take it out. See how crunchy it is. Take out one of these, this guy. We'll see what it looks like once you cut it open. Yep. Look at the juice. See the juice? Nice thick coating. Very hot yet, so maybe we could break one open. Hear the crunch? Let's do crunch now. Yeah, look at that. Coating stuck to the skin. It's not falling off. It's crunchy, thick, crispy. And you can see how juicy the meat is on the inside. So that's how you make a double dip fried chicken with self-rising flour. Hope you enjoyed the video and happy eating. Thank you. Oh, by the way, while we're deep frying the chicken, I decided to make a pizza at the same time. So you could click on the video for making a pizza in the Pizza Q oven. And that's our dinner for tonight. Thank you again.